Hey guys, I thought I'd throw this video out there. Here I put a car battery in a box, built a box for it, and I have two 12-volt outlets, like sockets that you would have put in that you have in your car. And there I have two posts that are extended from the battery for charging it, for basically if you want to jump start your car, you can still do it from the battery. It was just a regular car battery that was laying around. And there's some ventilation because car batteries need to be vented. Nice thing about the 12-volt sockets are you can plug in an inverter and actually get 120 power. And you sometimes they have an extra USB, so there you got like 3 USBs if you have one of the USB chargers from your car. In here we have extensions that I bought for a car battery. Just bolted them on and then bolted them to the bolt that goes through the top of the box. I shoved the small wires down in the front away from the other wires, and they go to the 12-volt sockets. I got the 12-volt sockets out of a single to double converter for a car, so that was a cheap dollar store thing. Then I have the switch, and that helps because you can leave stuff plugged into the sockets and it turns it on and off. So you can cut power and it doesn't drain your battery when you don't want it to. Here are the positives in the center, and on the outside, the shell, that's the negative. I wrapped the outside to protect it from the positive. It's sitting right beside it because the outside of the shell's the negative. So when it's sitting in it, that extending piece actually brings the post closer to it than I was expecting. And so I had to wrap it, but I wish I could have just switched sides. But then I would have had to recut the top, and I had already finished everything before seeing that problem.